Now, as Muslims observe the holy feast of Eid al-Fitr today, President Barrow noted in his address to the nation some of the security lapses that concern his government. The small West African nation is currently exposed to a series of crimes that has instilled fear of security to many following several reports of killings and other related criminal activities. Sohna Tunkara has more of that in this report.
Crimes such as killing, theft and kidnapping and robbery are noticeably lifting head in the Gambia, especially under the new government. Police have taken the habit of issuing safety tips mainly to save women and children who are the most vulnerable and most victimized in any scenario. Although the issue of organized crime is not prominent in the discourse, it nevertheless presents a serious concern for the public following a noticeable wave of criminal operations, irrespective of the time in the day or night. President Barrow took note of the situation as a threat to the historic perception of Gambia as the smiling coast of Africa.
As we all know, peace and stability form the bedrock for development. It is regretted, therefore, that there have been disturbing reports of domestic violence in our communities and criminal acts of drug abuse, theft, destruction of property, and other forms of crimes. These crimes pose a threat to peace and stability and can hamper our development efforts.
In 2020 alone, for example, more than 10 cases of killings were recorded as per media reports, some of which remain in police files without resolution, despite various mechanisms implemented by the security sector in coping the current fragile situation. Unfortunate incidents continue to spark public discord across the country. The president opined that his government's efforts are being taken for granted in maintaining the accolade the country is well known for.
In the past 4 years, my government has consistently promoted freedom and other democratic values that would bring back our smiles in a peaceful and stable environment. Unfortunately, some people are taking these values for granted and are conducting themselves in ways that undermine our security. Disregard for the rule of law is disruptive. As a result, I ask all citizens and residents of the country to act responsively in order to advance peace and development.
Critics are of the prediction that criminal activities are likely to occur more frequently than ever before if stringent measures are not enforced. These, according to them, will be partly due to the weak security response to crimes. Police stations are mounted in almost every community in the Gambia. However, they lack the ability to offer a rapid response to crisis due to lack of proper training and equipment, among the list of challenges. For Africa News, Sohna Tunkara.